Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Grace with the Grit. Today we have a very sensitive topic to discuss. Low self-esteem causes people to become introverts. And we all know that in this world, this day and age we live in, opportunities really work for people who have the courage to actually go after them. Now, today I'm going to be giving us 3 reasons why you have a low self-esteem. Now, this may not be you, it may be someone you know, so you'll be kind to share this video with them after listening to it. Number 1, comparison. You tend to compare yourself a lot with others, and I don't blame you. Social media is at fault. You scroll endlessly on your phone, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and you're thinking, can I do this? Can I, shoot this reel? Can I jump on this wagon? Everyone is doing this. Can I try? And then you start to tell yourself, oh no, I can't. I don't look good enough. I don't have the space. I don't have the lightning. What am I going to do? Comparison, as you know, is a thief of joy, and it births low self-esteem. You need to stop comparing yourself to others. There are people out there whom you are far, far, far better off than, okay? And you definitely need to stop comparing yourself with anyone you see on the internet or around you. Number 2, association. Who are the type of friends you keep around you? What sort of messages, what sort of information do you let into your ear gates and your eye gates every other day? It matters a lot. Obviously, show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are. If you have a clique of 4 or 5 friends and these guys are constantly doing the same thing as you, laying down in bed, laying down at home, or maybe you go to work. Once you're back from work, you're chatting with the same type of people who are comparing themselves with others and telling you, look at this person, look at this person. Association really matters. Whom do you let into your space? What sort of messages do you exchange? What sort of conversations do you have? The wrong association would birth very, very, very low self-esteem. Finally, dwelling in past errors. Yes, we all make mistakes, and there are some mistakes that, for a second you may feel like I would never forgive myself for this, but no. Time would easily erase a lot of things, as we all know. However, you need to stop dwelling in past errors. You need to quickly forgive yourself and move on. Pick up yourself from wherever you ended. Life goes on. Okay, no matter the mistake you may have made, guess what? You are forgiven, right? You are forgiven. The Bible says in the book of Psalms 139, verses 13 to 14, for you formed my inward parts. You covered me in my mother's womb. I will praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are your works, and that my soul knows very well. The Bible says that you were covered in your mother's womb. Why do you need covering in the womb? Simply because, yes, the enemy can attack people right from the womb. Okay, those are human beings. Those are definitely human beings. You already have pretty much everything you would have when you come out of the womb. So yes, people are attacked even in the womb. But guess what? God covered you in your mother's womb. He himself formed your inward parts, your lungs, your kidney, your ribs, your intestine. Think of it, name it, whatever makes you what you are today. God formed you by himself. You were fearfully and wonderfully made. These are the thoughts, these are the sort of words you should keep in your mind. Okay, these are the sort of things you should remind yourself of day after day, constantly, right? You need to keep your mood up with the right sort of message, the right sort of information. And at the end, it says, marvelous are your works. My soul knows this very well. So Tell your soul that the work of the Lord is marvelous, that you do not have low self-esteem. Yes, you've made mistakes in the past, but you decided to dust yourself, pick up yourself and move on. Okay, tell your soul that you will associate with the right set of people, right? Tell your soul that you would stop comparing yourself with others. Let your soul know that the work of God is marvelous and you are a creation of God. You are absolutely marvelous. I really hope that this video helps someone today. The point of this channel really is to encourage us in very, very, very short videos like this. Now, you know what to do. Kindly smash the like button. Share this video. Most importantly, share it. Just help someone else out there. Turn on your notification bell so that you are alarmed when I upload a new video. Most importantly, YouTube would share this video to others who would like to listen to such an information. Thank you so very much for listening up until this point. And until I see you again, have a lovely rest of the day. Cheers.